Hello everybody. I am back. It's been a while, so just letting you know. I have cut all my papers and I have pretty much made a page. Nothing is glued down yet though. So, this is the 8x6. I actually just, when I cut it, I had another one. So I did two of those so I can make this two-page spread kind of symmetrical or even it out. And so then this is my 2x10, this is my 1/2x9, this is my 1x11, and then here is my 4-inch circle. So I had a bunch of fussy cut flowers from that paper, and I fussy cut a few more until it was all gone. I've scattered them around, used some other ephemera bits because this is rides and things, so I figured the car, the plane, the bike, it all works because those are all the kinds of rides they go on. Like, this is a car, this is a motorcycle, this is a four-wheeler, or it looks like, or bicycle. I believe there were airplanes too, I just don't have photos of them. But yeah, because all those carnival rides are all those things. I think I'm going to do a title that says Let's Ride. I grabbed this... so I'm also in the middle of reorganizing my scrap room, so it doesn't seem like a lot of time for you has passed since I did the intro, but it's been weeks. This has been sitting like this for weeks, and I know this video is very, very late, but it's been this done for weeks, and I was able to come across some organizer things that were a steal, and I've been a little busy. Because in order to get the organizer in here, I had to reorganize and make room, and we had to decide furniture to leave my craft space, and a whole chaotic mess. Anywho, so I wanted to show you what was happening, what I had. I'm going to get gluing down. I'm going to find a title, and I love how it's looking. I'm going to find some alphas for a title, get everything leveled, and then we'll find some little bits to sprinkle around and put in with this as well. So, be right back. Okay, I've got all that glued down. I grabbed those alphas. They're either a Jen Alpha or a Paige Evans thicker. I thought we would go ahead and play with some acrylic, because I have a ton of acrylic. So I've got all these really pale blue little hearts. This one has some orange in it, which is perfect. Some darker turquoise to bring out from that. So I thought that'd be kind of fun. So let's... Oh, and this one has like a ring around it. This one does not. These two do. Almost like a button. Right in the center. And then we could do some white splatters. That could work. All right, glue down, white splatters, then we're good. And then you guys get close-ups. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna find my, there it is, acrylic. We'll do some white splatters and we'll be good to go. So thank you again. We'll see you next time. Bye.